We're back again here in Morgan Hill, where we will be touring another elegant design by Aspen Residential. It is 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2,255 square feet of beautiful, modern South Bay living. Now, as we take this tour, you will see that similar to the other floor plan that we covered on this channel, there are a lot of thoughtful upgrades from 10-foot ceilings to beautiful modern fixtures and porcelain tiles. Absolutely no expense was spared in making this home beautiful for the end user. By the way, my name is Krystal-Gail Marsh, your local realtor and entrepreneur serving Silicon Valley and the South Bay area. Now, without further ado, let's take that tour. I know you're enjoying this video, but you must hear this. So, in addition to $150,000 worth of upgrades already being included in your purchase price, there's also the opportunity for buyer concessions. Yes, the ability for you to be able to buy down your interest rates. And this is for a limited time only. So what does that mean for you? It means lower interest payments each month, therefore saving your bottom line. So go ahead, book a call with us, and remember to ask about what buyer concessions are available, and we will be happy to help. Happy house hunting! If you are interested in this or any other property in the Silicon Valley or South Bay area, book a call with us and we'll be happy to help. Until next time, be blessed.